Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. And this video I'll show you and share you the step by step how to create the my where is my blah 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 trending video, and here I'm using the Capcut. So this is the example. Okay, the step by step I will show you here. So the very first thing you need to do is add the white blank page here as the base of the video, and you will going to the overlay to add the picture. I will select the picture from my gallery, and you can also put your favorite picture. And after that, I will also delete or remove the background. I'm sorry, it's too far here. And custom removal, auto remove, and remove. And there you go. The background is already gone here, and adjust it. Adjust the size and put it precisely on the bottom right corner. Nice. And after that, I will do the animation from this picture, which will move from down to up here. How to do that? It is very simple, because we will add the keyframe here. I will put the keyframe in the first second. I'm sorry, I will adjust the duration first to become 4.3 seconds. There you go. And I will back to the first second of this picture and add the keyframe. And don't forget to move it a little bit down first. And you will go into the after 1 second of this picture, then add the keyframe and move this picture up precisely in the bottom right corner. And let's see the result. There you go, nice. And after that, I will going to add the second picture. Again, I will also do the same thread, that is remove the background, custom removal, auto remove, and remove. There you go, it's already removed the background, and I will adjust the duration to become 1.3 seconds. Perfect. And after that, I will put this picture to become in the last of this picture, and I will also put the keyframe. And after that, I will move this picture down and move my cursor into the last second of this picture, add the keyframe and move it up. Perfect. And let's see the prototype. This is the clip when you has not put the text first. And we will move on to add the text here. What text we will add is the where. There is 4 words. I will type the words in full of capital letter. I will put it up here, and I will add another text is, and add another text again. Just keep it going. Where is my? The last word is the, let's say I will type record. And there you go. This is the letter. And after that, don't forget to adjust the second of this picture because the word of where must be shown first before another words. Where okay. Oh, I'm sorry. So don't forget to adjust the picture and the word, guys, so it can be run smoothly. And also I will adjust the duration of every each words here. So every word can end in the same duration. And let's see the result. Is my record. The last polish, I will add the graph for the picture of this Black Panther. How to do that? I will put the cursor into the first second until the red arrow is active, and I will choose this, and I will choose the graph is flow 4 and apply it. And let's see the result. Let's roll. That's all, guys. The video of the where is my blah 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 is done here. So don't forget to try by yourself into your Capcut and let us know if the tips and the step-by-step tutorial is work for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and also watch our another video tutorial. And I'll see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.